Hi guys, welcome to the S-Way. How are you all doing? I know it has been a long time since my last video. 3 weeks or 4? I mean a month? I mean really? I'm really very sorry. That's bad. That's bad. I've been that true Acme's and doing things so slow. I've been that lazy bum. I'm so sorry, you know. Khati okhomia hoi pele sob kam lahe lahe korte aji kaile. But finally, since I have made it to the front of the camera, let's begin this video. Well, this video is going to be a fashion try-on haul where I'll be showing you a few things which I have bought in summer season sale. Yes, there was crazy sale going on all over, and I also went top-notch crazy and bought a lot of things which I will share with you in this video. And yes, I will show you a few ways in which you can create very chic styles effortlessly and affordably. So let's begin. The first thing I have got is this shirt. This one I have got from Reliance Trends. Yes, it's very cool and chic. I have already styled it, so I know how cool it looks because I have worn it to office. It slayed. I have worn it to casual day outs and it rocked. So yeah, this is a very versatile piece and it retailed at around rupees 1000 or so, but I got it for 400. So yes, it was a great deal. The next piece of cloth I have is this denim skirt. This one is also from Reliance Trends, and yeah, I think it was around 1200 or so, but yeah, I got this for 500. So it was a good deal. And denims I love denims, and this I have styled for day outs, night outs, and it has just rocked. And these two pieces together, I tell you, it slays. I mean, checks and denims, oh my god, to die for. So I will show you how I styled them and how cool it looks. The next piece of cloth I have got is this indigo palazzo, which has got amazing boho prints, as you can see here. This one I have got from Lifestyle. I retail in around rupees 1300 or so, but I got it for 800. You can create so many boho looks with this palazzo. I will show you a few ways in which I will style it. So yeah. Next piece of outfit is this crop top which I've got from H&M. I bought this one a month ago and I don't think it was on sale. I think I got it from H&M and yeah, no sale. But however, it retailed in around rupees 600 or so, so it was like affordable. And it is such a versatile piece. I wear it with jeans, skirts, palazzos. I have already worn it with the palazzo in my last video. If you haven't watched that video, then go watch it. I will link it down in the description box. So yeah, this is a versatile piece, and I think you can even style it with saris, you know. Have you seen those cool Instagram pics in which women just slays in sari? So yeah, this one is just meant for those kind of boho looks. And yes, this piece with this palazzo just look amazing. I will show you how it looks. The next piece I have got here is this t-shirt dress. This is also from H&M. I don't think this was on sale, and to you it may look a bit pale and not so stylish, but let me tell you, this is one of those pieces which you can like style in ways that will take you to some another level of glamour, you know. And creating different looks with one piece makes it so interesting, you know. I really love doing it. So yeah, I will show you how many ways I can style this one with. Sometimes what happens, no matter what dress you wear, how expensive it is, sometimes you need that particular thing which takes the glamour game to the top-notch level. Yes, I'm talking about accessories. So yeah, accessories are so very important to create those chic styles, and I have bought a lot of them on 50% off from Lifestyle. So yeah, I just went crazy and I bought a lot of accessories. Although I'm not an accessories person, I really don't like wearing earrings or, you know, anything. See, right now, nothing at all. Well, but I really like buying them and style them whenever there is an occasion. Yeah, I have bought a lot of golden accessories because golden accessories are trending high right now. So yeah, I will show you what I got and how to style it. the thing which I bought and which made me so happy is this handbag. Yes, just look at it. This one is from Zara. The first time I saw this bag, I was like, hello beautiful, will you go out with me? And she was like, why not some pretty? And here we are, see. So I bought this bag. It was on 30% off and I got it for 1100. I mean, a handbag for 1100, why not? That too from Zara. And this stylish one, especially in grey. I love grey. And yeah, this particular handbag can take any look to another level. So yes, if you guys do not own a stylish handbag, then I think one should have one in their wardrobe, because if you have a stylish handbag, then it just lifts up the style game to another level. So yeah, if you guys do not own one stylish purse, then I think you should. Well, with this I end this video, and you guys know what you have to do. If you enjoyed watching this video, then hit the like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it. And I'll see you soon in my next video, and I will try not being a lazy bum, and I will upload videos more frequently. And on this note, this is Sampriti signing off. Bye bye.